Okay. 4 men do the same work in 3 days that 5 women do in 4 days, or 8 children do in 5 days. Okay. Again, I'll assume the efficiencies of men, women, and boys, or men, women, children to be M, W, and C. Okay. 4 men do some work. Okay. Efficiency of each man is 4. 4 men will be 4 into M, right? For 3 days, the work done is 4M into 3, right? Same way, 5 women do in 4 days, right? What is the work done by each woman? W units. 5 women will do 5W each day, right? 5 women will do 5W, right? And like that, they work for 4 days. So the work done is into 4, right? 8 children do the work in 5 days. So efficiency of each child is C units. 8 children is 8 into C. Like this, they work for 5 days. Okay. They do the same work. All of these are doing the same work, right? So you equate them, you can cancel out 4. Okay. You will end up with 3M equals to 5W equals to 10C. Okay. 3, 5, and 10, the LCM is 30. So you can divide throughout by 30, right? So you will get M by 10 is equal to W by 6 is equal to C by 3. Or efficiency of each man is 10 units, each woman is 6 units, each child is 3 units, right? Now they tell me that one man, one woman, and one child complete a piece of work in 60 days. Now, like the previous question, ये statement हमेशा दिया जाता है to find out the total work. So each man, that is 10 units, each woman, which is 6 units, and each child, which is 3 units. Okay, they work for 60 days to complete the work, right? So 10 plus 6 plus 3 is 19, 6 is 1140 units of work in total, right? Find the time taken by 5 women, 4 men, and 2 children to complete the work twice as large. First of all, twice as large means कि इसका double हो जाएगा, right? So 2280 units of work is to be done. और अब ये 2280 units of work कौन करने वाला है? 5 women, 4 men, and 2 children. Okay, each woman can complete 6 units every day, so 5 will complete 5 into 6. Each man completes 10 units, so 4 men will complete 4 into 10. Each child completes 3 units, so basically 2 children will complete 2 into 3. So 5 6 are 30 plus 4 10s are 40 plus 6 will be 76 units. So total time taken is 2280 divided by 76. Okay, you can like this as it is, or you could have basically factorized also, keep it as 114 into 10 into 2. That would have made things very easy. How? 19 4s are 76 and 19 6 are 2 1s are 2 2s are and then 2 5s are. The answer is 30 days. As simple as that, guys. Let's look at the next question. Humans and robots can both perform a job but at different efficiencies. Okay, let those efficiencies be equal to H for human and R for robots. Okay, 15 humans and 5 robots working together take 30 days to finish the job, whereas 5 humans and 15 robots together take 60 days to finish it. How many days will 15 humans working together take to finish it without any robot? Okay. So again, I would like you to just pause the video and try it out. Then you can look at the solution. Okay. So 15 humans and 5 robots take 30 days to finish the work, right? Similarly, 5 humans plus 15 robots take 60 days, right? The work done is same, cancel out 30, 30. You can also cancel out 5 everywhere. So यहाँ 2 बचेगा. You will get 3h plus r is equal to 2h plus 6r. That gives you h is equal to 5r. H is equal to 5r, or h upon r is 5 is to 1. Okay, ratio of the efficiencies we have got. Now again, you can put h is equal to 5 and r is equal to 1. Now again, you can put h is equal to 5 or r is equal to 1 in any of these two equations. Okay, this one looks sort of simple to me somehow. Okay, so total work done is 5 into h plus 15 into 1 multiplied by 60. So 15 plus 25 is 40 into 60 is 2400 units. अब ये question क्या बोल रहा है? How many days will 15 humans? 15 humans is 15 into 5, which is 75, or you can write as 15 into 5 here also. Will take how much time? It is the total work divided by this total efficiency, right? Okay, 5 से अगर काट लो इसको, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 480 upon 15, 15 3s are 45, 15 2s are 30. The answer is option B 32.